It's Lo from Custom Creations by Lo. I have two very, very special announcements today, and I'm super excited to share them both with you. Number one, tomorrow, Tuesday, November the 11th at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, UK time would be 8 p.m. I will be on CC UK Live Q&A with Andy. It's an opportunity to learn more about me and about my channel. You can ask questions, make comments, suggestions, um, anything like that. And it's just a time to get to know me. I am a new channel and I'm trying to grow, and I hope this will help me. Hope it helps me get more subscribers, but also more friends. So put it on your calendar, set an alarm, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow at 3 o'clock p.m. Secondly, I'm getting ready to hit my 100th subscriber, and I'm super excited about that. It's thanks to you all that have made me get this far. Again, I am a very new channel, and I'm hoping to grow. So watch the next few videos that I put out for your chance to win a giveaway that I'm giving to a lucky person. So please like, share, subscribe, comment on the videos, and watch for the way that you can enter the giveaway. I thank you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.